Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear examiners and supervisors, I am Triana Lenisi. On this occasion, I will present the results of my thesis entitled The Role of Transparency and Accountability in Education in the Relationship between Financial Reporting Quality and Financial Performance of the Indonesian Republic's Directorate General of Tax. This presentation to fulfill the thesis examen requirement. Research focus on how to quality of public sector financial reporting not only directly impact of financial performance but also works through the government's mechanism, particularly transparency and accountability. In the introduction, I will explain the background, formulation of the problem, research purpose, and benefits of research. The background: this research stems from the phenomenon of declining public trust state financial management, which is reflected too in various issues, non-transparency, weak accountability, and corruption cases. In this context, the government is required not only to be able to prepare quality financial report, but also to ensure that this report truly impact financial performance and the effectiveness of fiscal management. Directorate General of Tax was chosen as the manager of state revenue because its financial performance has direct implication for the APBN and national fiscal sustainability. Next, in research purpose, the aim of this study to empirically test the relationship between the quality of financial report and financial performance of Indonesian Directorate General of Tax, both directly and through the mediating role of transparency and accountability. In other words, the study not only answers whether the quality of financial report but has impact on financial performance, but also explain through accountability and transparency mechanism, how the financial report information is used to support the financial performance in public agency. Next, in benefit of research. Theoretically, this research is expected to enrich the public sector accounting literature, particularly regarding the quality of financial report, fiscal transparency, accountability, and financial performance in public agency. Practically, these research results are expected to provide input for Indonesian Directorate General of Tax, the Ministry of Finance, and Indonesian Audit Board or BPK in strengthening the performance-based accountability system and encouraging more substantive transparency. Next, in literature review and hypothesis development. In theoretically review is new public management, agency theory, and new institutional economic. Public management or MPM emphasizes the importance of results orientation and performance efficiency. Agency theory explains the potential for agency loss due to information asymmetry between the government and public. Meanwhile, in new institutional economic, places financial report as part of formal institutions that influence organizational behavior and the quality of decision making. Next, in previous research shows that the quality of financial report and accountability influence public sector performance. However, the role of transparency as a mediating variable still show mixed results and has been studied relatively limited, especially in the context of tax institution in Indonesia. This is the research gap that this study aims to fulfill. Next, in hypothesis formulation, based on the review of previous theories and research, the study formulates 7 hypotheses that test the direct influence, indirect influence, and strength of the mediation mechanism of transparency and accountability. Next, in research method, this research use a quantitative method with PLSM. Then unit of analysis is Indonesian Directorate General of Tax. Population in this research is functional auditors of Republic Indonesia, BPK. Sample with using the Crutchy-Morgan formula and get 360 samples. The selection of BPK auditors aim to minimize internal bias and increase the objectively the assessment. And then about data analysis technique, used include data quality test, classical assumption test, and research hypothesis testing. And then in results and discussion, data were collected through questionnaires to 360 auditors. The characteristic of the respondents shown the variation, experience, position, and educational background. So it's hoped that they will be able to provide a comprehensive assessment of this research object. Then the results of validity, reliability, and assumption classical show that all indicators meet the statistical criteria so that the research model is declared suitable for further hypothesis testing. Next, in hypothesis testing, the results shown that the quality of financial report and accountability has a positive effect on the financial performance of the Indonesian Directorate General of Tax. Transparency has a direct impact on performance, but has not been proven to be mediator between financial reporting quality and financial performance. On the contrary, accountability proved to be a powerful mediator in the relationship. Next, in discussion, these findings indicate that the quality of financial report contribute to improve financial performance when the resulting information is used as a basis for the accountability and systematic performance evaluation. Accountability in this context acts as a mechanism that bridges financial reporting and financial performance achievement. Meanwhile, in transparency, which is still dominated by formal and administrative openness practice, has not been able to function actively as a supporting mechanism for strategic fiscal decision making. Next, closing. Overall, the study concludes that the accountability is a key mechanism which breeds the quality of financial report and the financial performance of Indonesian Directorate General of Tax, while transparency still requires transformation towards a more substantive and participatory form. Next, in limitation, the study has limitation, including the use of cross-sectional data and external respondent. Therefore, further research is recommended to use a longitudinal approach and add other variables. Thus, the presentation of my result thesis. Thank you for your attention.